Hey friends, my name is Roland Enz, and yes, I am Enzo from Enzo's Seasonings. Check this out. Want exclusive discounts, insider recipes, and cooking tips you won't find anywhere else? Sign up for our newsletter at www.enzoseasonings.com, and I'll send you all that straight to your inbox. Grilling hacks, flavor boosting tricks, and of course, the best ways to use your favorite Enzo seasonings. So don't wait. Head over to www.enzoseasonings.com and sign up today. Let's make your next meal amazing. And speaking of your next meal, how about a steak for dinner tonight with our seasonings? Cattleman's Choice or Lone Star steak rub and seasoning. Or you might want to do a smokehouse burger. Our seasonings are fabulous for that. Or you want to make homemade soup. We have seasonings just that'll cover that base. And of course, if you're doing spaghetti, we have a fabulous seasoning that'll work great on your spaghetti. So come on over to our side and sign up for our newsletter, and we'll include you in everything that takes place at Enzo's Seasonings. Again, www.enzoseasonings.com. And thank you for watching my video.